लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल और न्यू नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल का आइकन दबाएं। Hi guys, this is Rana and you are watching GadgetsGuruRana. So before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So today I am going to tell you how you can convert any type of video without using any software. You can convert any type of video without using any software. So basically I am going to use VLC player. Okay, so and I am going to convert this video into mp4s. Okay, so you can check this file extension of video. So the video extension is .xesc. Okay, so I'm going to convert this .xesc into mp4. So first of all, open VLC player. Okay, go to media and come here. You can see convert and save. Click here, add. Here my file is in desktop, so I'm choosing from desktop, convert xcs to mp4. Okay, and here you can convert, choose convert. Okay, you can use shortcut key alt+o. Okay, and here you can choose the profile, what type of conversion you want, .mp4, mp3, wma. Okay, e2, android. So I'm going to choose mp4. Okay, and here destination, where you want to convert this video. So I am set this destination in desktop. Okay, I am rename this video converted. Okay, and save and click start button. Okay, so you can see this here, the conversion is started. Okay, so it takes some time to finish. Now see, almost is over. Okay, done. You can close and check the file, refresh. Okay, so here I name the converted. Okay, and open this. This is Rana and you are watching GadgetsGuruRana. So download कर लेता हूँ. Okay, so you can check this file extension also. Properties, here see .mp4. So thanks for watching this video and keep sharing and subscribe. Thank you very much.